ever since chrome powders were invented, chrome nails became such a trend among nail technicians and clients. And if you want to have just metallic nails with one color, it's fine, you can use chrome powder. But when you want to have some kind of nail art with chrome, then you need to do multiple steps. You need to use a certain type of gel, you need to apply it, then you need to apply chrome powder, and if you accidentally over-cure the top coat, then the chrome powder is not going to work, and then you need to apply an additional layer. So even though they look amazing, working with them sometimes can be overwhelming. So ever since then, I was thinking, why we can't just invent this metallic looking gel and use it for application or for hand painting? And finally, this day has come. Born Pretty presented metallic gel that you can use as one color application as well as for nail art. In this video, we're going to try it and create this trending design with ombre and chrome hand painting.
This is my client's nails, and she has gorgeous nail beds, but they're also outgrown, so we definitely need to remove the product. Also, some nails are already broken, and we decided to do longer nails, and she also wanted to do a different shape, which is element. So we need to take it off to do new extensions. I am using ceramic bit almost at top speed, which is 28,000 rotations per minute. Normally, when I'm taking off gel polish or hard gel, I try to leave a thin layer of the product on the nail, but since these nails are so outgrown, we're going to remove it completely. Also, I file off the free edge since we're doing extensions anyways. Now it's time to push back the cuticles using pusher, and let's take a look at the products from Born Pretty. I always look forward for the new nail mail from Born Pretty because they always have these cool new innovative products. I have few colors of gel polishes. Let's open them up, and they have rather thick consistency, which is very convenient for color application. And this dark blue color looks so pretty. I wonder if it's jelly color. And finally, metallic painting gel. This is the product I was waiting for. Take a look at this. It looks like liquid aluminum in a pot, or like a mercury. I also have a tube of polygel. Let's take a look at this because the name of the color is opal, and I had no idea what color it can be, but it turned out to be a pretty milky color, and I'm a fan of milky colors, so we're definitely doing extensions using this color. Now let's try some swatches to have an idea of the colors. This is one coat of white gel polish, and also we have multiple color gel polishes. They look like jelly gel polish when we apply just one coat, and when we apply two coats, they look so much darker. Blue color is just amazing. This is the exact product I was so looking for, metallic painting gel. You can use it as just a regular gel for one color application to do mirror chrome nails, but I think the biggest advantage of this product is you can also use it for nail art. It has rather thin consistency, so you can do any kind of hand painting with it. You could do the same with black color and then use chrome powder, but let's be honest, it always requires so much extra work and effort, and if you accidentally do something wrong, such as over-cure the bottom color, it may not look as mirror anymore. It will be more like glitter, but looks like this gel is so metallic, and I'm super happy because I'm going to try this trend I was delaying for so long. Yay! This is the swatch. We have 4 colors, one glitter, black and white, which have an amazing coverage within just one coat. Let's proceed to nail extensions. Since we have polygel here, I'm going to use dual forms. This is one of the most convenient and fast ways to do extensions. I just apply it inside of the dual form, cure for 1 minute, and then we take it off. Every time I'm dealing with white polygel colors, I'm a bit nervous if it's going to fully cure in the lamp. I did not have any problems with this one. It cured within only 1 minute, but please mind that I have a lamp which is 54 watts. So if you're using a 36-watt lamp, I recommend you to cure it for at least 90 seconds. After curing, it's time to file and shape the nails, but since we already have this perfect surface on the top. I only need to file it near the cuticle and then file and shape the free edge as well as the sidewall, since we decided to do almond shape. This product also files so easily, so it's not going to take me too long. Usually filing and shaping after sculpting with dual forms is not taking more than 15 minutes. And now let's apply the color. Black and white colors have amazing coverage, and we will need only one coat, and it's black color on top of the milky one. So if you're looking for thick consistency, good coverage, black and white, you should definitely take a look at Born Pretty. Cure it in LED for 1 minute and let's do some nail art. I wanted to do this trend for so long. Actually, I'm worried if this trend is a bit outdated now, but I'm still going to do it. I'm going to use white gel polish and use this sponge to create an ombre. There are multiple ways to do ombre nails, but since the ones I'm about to do will have this fade right in the middle of the nail, I think one of the easiest and fastest ways is to use a sponge. So we have few nails that are black and some nails are white. So I'm going to do a reverse ombre, white on black and black on white. By the way, if you decide to do an ombre in traditional way with black and white, I have to admit that this is one of the most challenging colors to do. But if you have colors that have a great coverage, thick consistency, and you use a sponge, I think it makes it so much easier. So when doing black on top of white, it's better to do a multiple layers. So I did one, then I cured it for 1 minute in LED, and then I do another one. Once I get closer to the center, I add a little bit more color, so we will have this fade look. And then we need to cure it for 1 minute in LED. And finally, metal painting gel. I still can't get over on how this gel is metallic and shiny and looking like a chrome powder. Let me know if you know the name of this trend, because I've seen these designs in different colors. Sometimes they were blush nails like milky or white or nude background with red ombre on top. Sometimes it's a completely different color, so I thought it would be fun to try it in black and white. Even though this metal painting gel has rather thin consistency, it's still not too runny. So I can easily do the whole design on one nail, and I do not need to worry that some of the parts are going to flood the sidewalls or the cuticles. Although I still recommend you to flash cure the design once you're done with one nail, and while it's curing you can work with the opposite hand, because some clients are just moving too fast. Sometimes they may touch something or take their phone, and we do not want for this masterpiece to be ruined. Then we need to cure it in LED for 1 minute, and finally we're going to seal it with a glossy top coat. This gel does not give any additional volume to the design, so now it looks smooth and flat. Let me guys know what do you think about this nail art. Links to the products that I use will be in the description box as usual. And if you would like to recreate some of my designs, please do not forget to tag me. It's Nailcou on Instagram or on YouTube. I would love to see your works. See you in my next video. Goodbye!